If you've been thinking about replacing your home's windows, you already know it's a smart move for comfort, curb appeal, and lower energy bills. But once you start shopping, you're met with a wall of numbers, ratings, and labels that can feel overwhelming. So how do you choose the right replacement windows to keep your home comfortable and save you money? Well, today we are breaking it all down so you can pick the best windows for your home and budget without the confusion. Let's get started. I'm here with Nate Thomason, one of our EPB Energy Pros, to help us decode window ratings. Now, Nate, there's a lot on these stickers. Where should we start?
That's true, Carrie. All those numbers can be confusing, but for homeowners here in Chattanooga, we recommend taking 4 items into consideration: the U factor, the solar heat gain coefficient, the visible transmittance, and whether or not it's Energy Star rated.
All right, sounds like a plan. So let's start with U factor. What does that mean for us?
Sure, the U factor measures how well a window prevents heat from escaping. The lower the number, the better it insulates. In Chattanooga, where we do get some colder winters, you want to look for a U factor around 0.30 or lower to help keep heat inside during those chilly months.
So if I see a window with a U factor of 0.28, that's a good sign, right?
That's a great sign and a solid choice for our climate. It means better insulation and less heat loss.
Great information. Now let's move on to the solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC for short. What does that number tell us?
The SHGC tells us how much solar heat comes through the window. It's measured by a number between 0 and 1. The lower the number, the less heat gets in from the sun. You know as well as I do that we get some really scorching summers down here, so we recommend a lower SHGC. Look for one between 0.25 to 0.40. This rating will help you keep cooling costs down.
All right, so a lower SHGC helps me stay cooler and reduces AC use.
That's right. It keeps the sun's heat out so your home stays comfortable without cranking up the air.
Okay, and then we have visible transmittance, or VT. What is this number telling us about the window?
VT tells you how much natural light will get in through your new windows. It ranges from about 0.20 to 0.80. A higher VT means more daylight, which can make your rooms feel brighter and reduce the need for artificial lights during the day. But it's all about balance. Too high and you might get glare. Too low and your home could feel darker.
Now let's switch gears and talk about another label you may see or want to ask about, and that's an Energy Star certified label.
That's right. We all know about Energy Star ratings for appliances as well as heating and cooling systems. But what many folks don't realize is that Energy Star also rates windows, doors, and even skylights. It's a great way to make a more informed, energy efficient choice for your home.
Sounds very helpful. Tell us more.
It's easy. Just go to EnergyStar.gov and look for the Windows, Doors, and Skylights section. There you can click on Find Your Climate Zone and select your location from the drop-down menu. Here in Chattanooga, for example, we're in the South Central Climate Zone. You'll see the recommended U factor and solar heat gain coefficient numbers that qualify for Energy Star certification. It's a simple way to make sure you're choosing the most efficient replacement windows for our climate and get the most value for your investment.
Okay, so are there any incentives for choosing Energy Star models?
There sure are. If you choose windows that meet the most efficient Energy Star criteria, you can claim 30% of the product cost as a tax credit, up to $600. It's a great way to offset the investment and save even more in the long run.
That is really great to know. So if I'm shopping for a new window around here, what's your best advice?
First, give us a call and schedule a free home energy checkup. We can give you personalized advice on what to look for and even provide a list of recommended contractors. And remember, always get at least 3 bids before making a decision. New windows are a big investment, so it pays to compare.
All right, there you have it. When it comes to keeping your Chattanooga home comfortable and efficient, Energy Star windows are a smart choice. And Nate has shared some fantastic tips to help get you started. Thanks, Nate, for joining us. And thank you for watching. We'll be back with more ways to make your home efficient and comfortable right here on At Home with the EPB Energy Pros. See you next time.